Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Scaroz's PC upgrade video. This is going to be a multi-part series, so strap yourselves in. This is a project that I started in December of 2021, and I'm still working on. So the things that we have upgraded already is the camera. I upgraded my chair because the old one had been scratched to heck. I've also got myself a huge neon sign of the Bluebird RP logo, which is just phenomenal. And here we are. There are a lot more parts that are going to go into this setup. I hope you enjoy. Out of curiosity, I wonder what this looks like. Yeah, look at the difference. Look at the difference between those. Wow. I mean, I have to mess around with this camera like a lot to make it do anything. So this is what I would kind of stream with usually with the C930E. And then this is, yeah, the Lumix. That's just insane. The problem is it's there, whereas the Elgato is here. The middle of my monitor is here, and that's pretty much where, if I change to the Elgato, you'll see I'm slightly off. Like there's the middle, and then there. Whereas when I go to the other one, we're well and truly off to the side over here with this camera. So this camera needs to move into the middle. But it does look really good. Oh, the next step is I stream standing up. So let's give that a whirl, shall we? I think that's good. This, as you can see on here, it is not looking great. There are some, issues with this peeling off and some issues up here. Maybe, yep, up here as well. So this is a problem. So, behind me, new chair. It's not set up. So that's what we're doing today. Cue time lapse, I suppose. Oh, that's good. That is good. I don't have this on yet. I think this is going to make the world of difference because it'll push my tush further forward. It does come with this as well, which is supposed to go up behind here, which makes me feel like it kind of defeats the purpose of putting the lumbar support on. But we're going to give it a whirl. Hi, I'm Scar, and I was wrong. This is great. Just need to get it all in the right spot. It'll take a bit of testing, but it's really good. I like this. Wish the even a little bit higher. Oh, no, that's good. I just have short legs. That's my problem. Okay, I'm pretty short. Really short people would struggle with this chair. I think it's designed for larger people, which is good. Well, there you go. I now have the Onyx EV12 chair. Hey, Onyx. Recommend. Maybe one day I can get one that's got a Bluebird on there or something. Onyx, I'm looking at you. Or actually, if you could just swap this bit, rather than me build a whole nother chair, because as much as half an hour was not a long amount of time, I prefer to not do it again. But you could potentially swap this out and have like a logo here. That'd be really cool. Because that just comes off. That's just... Yeah, this is a lot better than the other one. Thank God, because I spent plenty of... I don't even know how much money I spent on this. So I have a knife, and I have this. So this is a Christmas present from my girlfriend to me. The original one that she wanted to get was quite expensive, and then I said, let's go more expensive. And you'll see why I've gone more expensive, and I'll explain it afterwards, but I'm very excited. Oh, I've seen it for the first time. I'm very excited. This is going to go down, so you guys aren't going to see shit. Alright, let me read this real quick. It was all a dream. Kings of Neon. What's in the box? Some stuff. You guys will see. Alright. Thank you for the sub. I appreciate you. I also appreciate the fucking neon Bluebird RP logo. How cool is that? That's so awesome. yeah, so at some point, this will be here-ish. Maybe here, I don't know. For now, it's gonna be on the ground. Ah! It's very bright. I am gonna need that percentage thing because you guys are gonna be fucking blinded. It's cool. The blue is blue. You guys can't really see it because of, you know, lights and shit, but... Oh, that's cool. I want to finish this video off by saying thank you to all of you for getting us to 750 subs. I am so glad that we've been able to get the subscriber count up a little bit, and my plan is to release part 2 once we hit 1,000 subscribers. So if you're watching this video and you aren't subbed yet, please make sure you do so. The next portion of this is probably going to be showing off the actual PC itself. Once that is built, it will be the ultimate GTA RP streaming PC. You are not going to want to miss that. All right, thank you so much for being here. Love you guys. See you on the next one.